back to my channel, and today's video, again by the title you definitely know that what I'm going to review today, and I'm super excited to finally review Chanel's lipsticks. Now if you guys really want individual review on all my 3 lipsticks, I'm going to link that here or in the description box below. I have individually reviewed each of the lipsticks. Chanel is obviously one of my favorite makeup brands. Obviously, I would have loved if they would have priced down some of their products. I mean, their products are super duper expensive. Obviously, Chanel has lip glosses, lipsticks. I am not that much into lip glosses, so I kind of decided to actually go with 3 lipsticks. I have 2 of the lipsticks which are Rouge Allure Velvet lipsticks. Now today when I was on their website, that showed that the Rouge Allure Velvet lipsticks are limited edition, and I was like, what? I have 2 limited edition? But anyways, that was something which was on their website, so that's what that's the information I'm giving it to you guys. So the Rouge Allure Velvet lipsticks, like I counted online, and there are about 15 shades in this range, and there is another range which is called Rouge Coco, and they have around 30 shades in it. Now when I visited the Chanel store for the first time, I was stunned because I was like, oh my god, I'm in the Chanel store, and that was a very big thing for me because I think when I was not working as a YouTuber and as a blogger, when I used to visit Palladium, I always used to see Chanel from, like, you know, standing outside, and I used to wish, when am I going to earn so much so that I can literally go into the Chanel store and actually have something for myself from my own money. But for the first time when I went in the Chanel store, I asked the store manager that she asked me that what are you looking for, and I was like, obviously lipstick, because I'm a lipstick hoarder, and you know. So I asked her, like, you know, if you guys have your classic red lipstick, and you know, it's that's a big problem with me. Like each store, each makeup store I go to, my first question is, do you guys have your red classic or something like that? And she said yes, we do have, and it's one of the shades. This is the shade which I'm wearing right now. I am going to include all the close-ups, so don't worry about it. So this is the shade I am wearing right now, and it's in shade La Fascinant. Listen boss, these all words are very shade names are very different. It's in shade number, so I'm just going to say the shade number, and the name will obviously be on the window. This is in shade 38, and she said this is their classic red, and this is the shade which even the Chanel ambassador is worn most of the times, and obviously the Chanel ambassador is our favorite Twilight star, Kristen. So she has worn this shade for a lot of times, and I have seen that. So I was like, okay, you know what, please give this red to me. And this was my very first red, and I really love it. I really love how this red looks on me, and it is perfect for Indian skin tones as well. And I'm just going to swatch it for you guys so that you guys can see. You get about 3.5 gram. I think most of the real lipsticks and glosses retail for $37 each. In Palladium, there's a Chanel store, so you can visit that store. And so it's better to get an authentic lipstick rather to purchase from Amazon or eBay, because Amazon kind of charges 6,000 and 5,000 per lipstick, which I am not really sure if they are 100% fake or 100% authentic. The lipstick comes in this black cardboard box. It's a very thin cardboard box, so all the details are written on here on the box. And here's the lipstick, the star, guys. This comes in a black, classic black packaging, and it is actually very heavy. The lipstick itself is so heavy that you kind of feel the luxury. You know, when the packaging is kind of heavy, you know that that product is luxurious, and that's just like something which I love. So here, how to open it. This is like amazing, and a very satisfying thing. Just need to click here and that's how the lipstick comes out. This is so satisfying. I really love the lipstick shape because here is the pointed edge, so you don't need to have brushes or something to fill in your the corner of your lips. So this is very sturdy and it's a very sharp edge. It's not like the normal lipsticks. It's a very sharp edge and it's flat from here, and here there's this sharp edge. And obviously the Chanel name is embedded on the lipstick, which is again amazing. Again, everything is written here on the lipstick as well, and here there is their logo imprinted, which is that CC, and here again there is Chanel written. Now the packaging was something which made me purchase the product because I loved the packaging. Coming to the shades, now here's a bit of disappointment. The shades which the whole collection has: Rouge Allure Velvet. Most of the collection does not really suit Indian dusky, especially dusky skin tone. I was really not really that satisfied because considering even MAC as a luxury brand, MAC has a lot of colors, whether it be for anybody and everybody. So Chanel not having a lot of shades kind of made me disappointed because I would have loved to have more lipsticks which would suit and complement my skin tone. Rouge is again a very everyday kind of a shade. It's not very dark coralish with a hint of orange kind of a shade, and I love it. Rouge Noir. Now I wanted a very dark color which is a very vampire-ish kind of a shade. That is why I kind of chose Rouge Noir. And now Rouge Noir is not into the velvet things. It's a permanent shade which they have in their Rouge collection. To the thing whether to purchase the lipsticks or no. I really love the finish of the lipstick. The lipstick glides on like a lip balm. Like seriously guys, the lipstick glides on like a lip balm. There's 100% payoff, 100% pigmentation, and what else? It has a very creamy texture. It is not completely matte. So if you are kind of looking for the matte lipsticks, don't purchase these ones because you won't like it. These are more of, if I compare this to MAC, then I think they have a very matte satin creamy finish. The MAC creme lipsticks, yeah, they are pretty much like that. The finish is completely like that, and it is very hydrating. I don't feel a thing. It's very light on my lips. I don't feel like I'm wearing a heavy lipstick or anything that sort. It is hydrating. It is not drying up my lips. Now coming to the thing where they said that it is long lasting matte lipstick. First of all, this is not 100% matte. Second of all, it's not long lasting. It may last you a cup of coffee or cup of tea, but I don't think it will last you a full meal. It has very good intensity and good color payoff, so I absolutely love them. Worth the price? I might say a tad bit expensive. I mean, it is worth the price, but a tad bit expensive. But again, if you hold these and actually go and see the packaging, then I don't think you guys will kind of, especially a lipstick junkie like me, will definitely say no, it's very nice. So because it's like the packaging is amazing and I love it. So I hope you guys liked this video. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and let me know in the comments below if you have used Chanel lipsticks and what were your thoughts and everything that sort of, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.